So yeah, hi all. Since a long time we are working on something and अभी वो final होता हुआ from our end. So we have add our new AI agent for interviewing. Like if you're going, let's say you are going for interview in a company and you don't have any prior experience. So हम क्या कर हम क्या करते हैं? We used to ask from our seniors. Sir or ma'am, we want that कि कैसे क्वेश्चन वो पूछने वाले हैं, कैसे क्या होने वाला है, हमें कुछ पता नहीं होता. एंड लेट्स से कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं हमें ये भी नहीं आइडिया होता. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू ऑल द थिंग्स लाइक हमने एक एआई एजेंट बनाया है हु इज गोइंग टू बिहेव लाइक योर एचआर. ओके, कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन वो पूछ सकता है, किस टाइप की चीजें टिक कर सकती हैं, क्या क्या चीजें कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव बिल्ड आवर एजेंट. हैव अ लुक. एंड इसका नेम इंटरव्यू एजेंट हमने रखा हुआ है. सो हमें लेट्स से हमने कोई एक एजेंट बना लिया. लाइक क्रिएट एजेंट पे आए, हमने एजेंट का नाम डाल दिया. जैसे मैंने सौरभ नाम डाल दिया. ओके, मैं वॉइस चूज कर लेता हूँ सौरभ की. तो हमने इससे मोर देन लाइक जितने भी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल होते हैं हमने सारी ऑप्शन ऐड कर दिए हैं. सो एंड्रयू अमेरिकन.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant.
Hi, I'm your AI companion, Dorothy,
So
programmed to
you can.
provide solutions and guidance whenever you need.
Hello, I'm Nova, your dedicated AI.
Hello there, I'm Anthony, your helpful guide.
So
How
it's
can I make...
Anthony, Billy and all that. Let's say
Hey, I'm your
मैंने
virtual
एंड्रयू को
assistant from Retel AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
एंड्रयू को मैंने कर लिया एंड मेरे को कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है इन सोशल मीडिया. सच्ची में नहीं है. ओके, मैंने पोजीशन किसकी डाल दिया. लेट्स से मुझे सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर बनना है. मुझे बनना नहीं है, मैं सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर के इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहा हूँ. ओके, आई डोंट नो कि कल मेरा इंटरव्यू है वो कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, क्या उन क्वेश्चंस का लेवल हो सकता है, मैं सही से प्रिपेयर हूँ या नहीं हूँ. ये सारी चीजें हमें चेक करनी होती हैं. तो क्या क्या स्किल्स एक सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर के अंदर होनी चाहिए. सबसे पहला आता है टाइम मैनेजमेंट. नेक्स्ट आता है ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेंड को फॉलो करना आता है नहीं. And next is knowledge about different social platform. So all that skills हमें चाहिए होती हैं सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर के अंदर. मैंने ये एजेंट को क्रिएट किया. ये एजेंट रेडी हो गया है. इसको हम इसको हम एक मीटिंग क्रिएट करते हैं इसके साथ. एंड हमें गूगल मीट की लिंक बनानी है. मैं इसका कैमरा ऑफ कर देता हूँ पहले तो. ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ पे लिंक बनाई. आई जस्ट नीड टू पेस्ट इट डाउन यहाँ पे. एंड लेट्स से मैं मीटिंग का टाइमिंग रखता हूँ 17-18 हो रहा है तो 20 पे रख लें, ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना होगा. ओके, सो ये मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया टाइमिंग. एंड मैं अपना ईमेल एड्रेस फीडबैक के लिए डाल देता हूँ. यस, we just need to run the workflow. ओ, मैंने एजेंट ही नहीं सिलेक्ट किया. तो मैंने एजेंट क्या बनाया था, सौरभ को एजेंट बनाया था. ओके, आई गेट दैट. सो भी मीटिंग ये सक्सेसफुली हमारी शेड्यूल हो चुकी है. इज गोइंग टू टेक माय इंटरव्यू एज एन एआई एजेंट. तो हमने इसलिए बनाया है क्योंकि यू नो वी आल्सो फील कि वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग एंड हम इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं. वी नीड टू आस्क फ्रॉम आवर सीनियर्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क. सो टैकलिंग ऑफ दैट हमने ये बिल्ड किया. जस्ट लाइक अगर मैं एक स्मॉल कंपनी है एंड मैं किसी को हायर करना चाहता हूँ एंड आई कांट एबल टू अफोर्ड एचआर, तो आई कैन एबल टू जस्ट यूज ये वाला सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सो आ चुका है हमारा. मैंने इसको एडमिट कर लिया। ओके, अभी ये स्टार्ट होता है।
Hello? I'm your AI interviewer for today. Before we get
Yeah.
started, just a quick note there might be a slight delay as I process your responses, so don't worry if I take a moment to reply. Also,
Okay, okay. All
take
right.
your time with your
Thanks.
answer. Great. Let's dive in. Could you start by telling me a bit about yourself?
My name is Saurav. Currently, I'm working one of the software, and it's kind of making the life more easier than we used to think. I'm currently a student, and with that, I'm pursuing these are my passions to explore more and more things in AI and all that.
Thank you, Saurav. It's great to hear that you're exploring AI and working on making life easier through software. Now, let's talk a bit about your background. Have you had any prior experience or exposure to social media management or creating content for platforms?
Yeah, I have a prior experience in my college clubs. I have managed a social media page of my college club. I used to manage for one or two companies as a freelance. So I've already did a few works in the field of social media management.
That's impressive, Saurav. Managing your college club's social media and freelancing for companies shows you've had hands on experience. Could you share an example of a successful campaign or post you created? What was your approach and what results did you achieve?
Okay, so like in our college, there's a theme, like we have an event on the theme of sustainability. So I have run the social media campaign to have awareness among the students regarding having a sustainability in that current time. So we have launched a campaign of spreading the knowledge among people through our social media. We used to post a different kind of a content to more make people more and more engaging. We used to held few events to do that.
That sounds like a meaningful campaign. Saurav, focusing on sustainability and engaging people through diverse content is a great approach. It seems like you have a knack for creating engaging posts. Could you tell me more about the types of content you created? For example, did you use graphics, videos, or any specific trends to make the campaign more impactful?
So at that time, there's a trend going on is kind of to have a better approach towards the sustainability and recyclability. So we used to follow that particular thing, and we used to you know uh, release few of the videos and posts which used to make up like spreading the awareness among the people.
That's great, Saurav. Using videos and posts to align with trending topics like sustainability and recyclability is a smart way to engage your audience. Now, let's dive into your graphic designing skills. Could you share what tools or software you've used for creating visuals and how comfortable you are with them?
Okay, so basically, I most of the time I used to use Canva, and I used to also use Adobe. So I used to spend much more time on the Canva.
Got it. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating quick and visually appealing designs, and Adobe offers more advanced features for detailed work. Since you're comfortable with Canva, could you describe a design you created that you're particularly proud of? What was the concept, and how did you bring it to life?
Okay, so like we have a concept of adding more and more campaigns, having to attract the sponsors, NGOs and all that. So we used to create a content to have a collaboration with the NGO. There are many sponsors which is ready to sponsor for the sustainability. So we used to run that, and I have a specific design we have created. It's a kind of solar panel which we have used to run in the our college. Is kind of an a solar vehicle which is auto driven, and we used to run that. So we used to take a proper photo and videos of that particular vehicle, and we used to post it so that we can able to get more and more engagement from the people, and people are so excited to see that vehicle which is run by only solar panel, and it's a auto driven.
That's an incredible initiative, Saurav. Showcasing something as innovative as a solar powered, self driven vehicle is bound to grab attention. It's great that you combine visuals like photos and videos with a meaningful concept to engage your audience and attract sponsors. Now, let's talk about time management. Social media often requires juggling multiple tasks like creating content, scheduling posts, and analyzing performance. How do you prioritize and manage your time to ensure everything gets done on schedule?
Okay, so I used to already, allot time to a different tasks so that I can able to manage it more properly. I used to put some time, to post. Sorry. To post regularly on a time, to post the things on a kind of a specific theme we are going to tackle. That's all.
That's a good approach, Saurav. Allocating specific time slots and sticking to a schedule is key to staying organized and consistent. Now, let's move to a quick problem solving scenario. Imagine you've created a post for a campaign, but it's not getting the engagement you expected. What steps would you take to improve its performance?
So first, I will go in a little bit deep, and I will try to figure out what can be region that's what can be a region of not getting a views on that particular post. So we are going to cater that region. If it's possible, then we are going to change our way of campaign and all that. So we are ready to adopt the way which is so engaging with the people, and there are a lot of fun in that.
That's a thoughtful approach, Saurav. Analyzing the reasons behind low engagement and adapting the campaign's tone or content to better connect with the audience is a smart strategy. Now, let's wrap up with a question about your future goals. Where do you see yourself in the next few years, especially in the field of social media or related areas?
Okay, so I'm maybe going to open our own agency as a social media managing company, and we are going to hopefully manage a few of the social media platform of the different influencers, because it's a time of an influencer. So I believe that we are going, like, I'm going to create a one of the company. It's kind of an agency to managing a social media of different content creators.
That's an ambitious and exciting goal, Saurav. Starting your own social media management agency and working with influencers is a fantastic vision, especially in today's digital age. It shows you're thinking ahead and aiming to make a significant impact in the field. Thank you for sharing your experiences and goals with me today. It's clear you have a strong foundation in social media management and a creative mindset. Do you have any questions for me before we wrap up?
Yeah, and to ask that, how will I get feedback about that interview, and when will I get?
That's a great question, Saurav. The feedback and next steps will typically be shared by the hiring team or recruiter managing this process. I recommend reaching out to them directly if you don't hear back within a week or so. They'll provide you with specific details about your performance and any follow-up steps. It was a pleasure speaking with you, and I wish you the best of luck with this opportunity and your future goals. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
It seems there was a little issue sending the feedback message. You can directly reach out to the hiring team or recruiter for updates regarding your interview. Thank you again for your time and best of luck.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
You're welcome, Saurav. Best of luck with everything. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. So I just finished that.